Hello guys and welcome to Hakman Traders. In this video I'll be showing to you guys what is trading all about in the stock market. Now, why does a company got listed in the stock market? Why traders trade in the stocks? Why investors invest in the stocks in different companies? So what is trading all about? So usually the stock market is all about when a company gets listed in the stock market, it provides its shares. So it tries to avoid getting loan from a bank or getting loan from somebody, so they invest in the stock market. Sorry, they got listed in the stock market, make their company public, and because of that public, investors come and invest in that company on the assumption, on the hope that this company will grow in the future. Maybe some of them invest for the long run, and maybe some of them invest for the short run. So both of them invest so maybe so mostly all of the traders invest in that sorry, some of the investors invest in that company on that assumption that this will grow in the future, and they invest in that company, and hopefully if the company is well performed and good company and shows great performance, it will grow in the future. It can grow in the future and gives its shareholders profits and uh, profits and other mm, ben- uh, benefits as well, like dividends and right shares, all of those stuff as well. So so the main purpose of this video is that what is trading all about in the stock market. So trading is all about selling, buying and selling, supply and demand. So this is what trading is all about in the stock market. Usually when one person sells, the other is buying. So when one person is selling his share, he has a certain demand, and the other who is buying it, he has his offer. So both of them, if they match each, if the demand and the offer match each other, so the transaction happens. So that is when that is what trading is all about. And trading, you see that diff- many people are selling their shares. So most of them have their own demands, and we as the traders, we are trading in the stock market for profits. We are trading in the stock market for growth, so that we can make money out of the stock market, not for fun or things like that. So it's also a learnable experience. You can learn the stock market as well. You cannot predict, prediction is difficult, so you can learn from the stock market as well. So this is a learnable experience. You can see it is not something that you will also face losses, but you will have to learn from them and try to avoid those in the future. It's a business that I consider that is can be started with smaller capital, with less capital, with lesser money. So so this is what I think about the stock market. It takes time for you to grow in the stock market, to gain much knowledge about the stock market, about stocks. So I personally, I'm as a trader trading in the stock market. I do not know that I do not have that much knowledge right now. Like, sorry, I have much knowledge about the stock market, but I haven't acquired much experience about the stock market. Yes, I'm not more experienced, but not lesser experienced as well. I know where to apply a certain strategy and what can happen at a certain time. Most of the time I slip because that some of at some places I either do not know the strategies, or either do not know what will happen next in that case. So I fail to predict at certain places. So stock market is a learnable experience. You can learn it as well, gain experience from the stock market, apply the concept of risk to reward ratio, risk margin. So risk margin and take profits, try also apply those as well, because from those you will learn much more rather than any other business that you apply. And you can apply these terms in that business as well. When you start a physical business, a tangible business, so you can later on apply these principles, these concepts in your physical business as well, and you will benefit much from these concepts that you apply here. So the stock market is all about trading stock, supply and demand, buying and selling. Different investors, different people have their own demands and offers. So you'll have to, if they match yours, then the transaction will happen. So usually this is an electronic transaction. this is an electronic business, so you will have to like this. You can trade this with your mobile phone, or your maybe you can trade this with your cell phone, your laptop, your tablet or PC, whatever you have. So you can do this business with that as well, and you can do this anywhere you want. If you sit at any place, like it's not something that requires an office. You can do this with your phone as well. So if you can do this with your phone, you can guess that it is a mobile business. So so basically the stock market is situated at one place, but the traders do it at different places. I myself, I am doing at a different city, someone else is doing at a different city or different province, so a different state. So it all depends. The main trading place is like if you are from America, then this is NYSE, New York Stock Exchange. At Pakistan, my here is the Karachi Stock Exchange. So the main trading place, the trading platform is the Karachi Stock Exchange. So we are just trading at different areas. So so the trading is all about buying and selling of shares, knowing where to take the right step at the right time. That is sometimes the most difficult thing that you can do. Taking the right step at the right time in the stock market, that is a great thing to consider, because most of the traders fail to do this. I myself fail to do this. I buy at a area where this let me show you. If I buy at this area at the assumption that this sorry if I buy at this on the assumption this area on the assumption that this might go up, it goes down, and then it goes up. So if it gives me this much profit, I sell out, again come back down, again up. So this much stuff, and I fail to catch this move. So that is my that is the mistake that I usually make in the stock market. You can see in the stock market requires much patience, and it also gives the rewards of patience as well. If you are patient about the stock market, about your stocks, about your portfolio, about your investment, then you might benefit a lot from it and make much more profit, because it is all about patience. It requires time to grow. So maybe that was all about the stock, about trading in the stock market as well. So so I guess that explains all of them, and that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market or the forex market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.